What up, Toad? What up, Toad? What up, Toadsters and Toadies? What it is? Boy named Sue at the Service Authority Pond in Nova. It's great for fishing. Just caught a largemouth small bass. Fishing with Ninja Paper Ori. You're not in my video, chump. So, on this nice Labor Day weekend, Labor Day, with my Abu Garcia Max Sticks rod. There's the rod. So, first time out with this rod. Caught something. Not bad. The weight's good. Bright orange. The Max STX rod. It's like 8 to 17 pound rod. I'll give you the specs on it now. Let me actually take a look. It is a medium heavy, 3/8 to 3/4 ounce lure, 8 to 17 pound line. But what I put on there is 20 pound braided. So I like it. I like it a lot. Told you I'm going to try to be reviewing everything I buy. The hat, courtesy of Paper Ninja Ori. So, birthday, Christmas present, whatever. Something, I don't remember. But the rod's pretty good. I like the way it handles. Hold on. Okay, it felt like it wanted to do something. But yeah, just here to review it. Beautiful place. We're in the back part of the Upper Occoquan Service Authority. So, the place only employees have access to. But I like this quiet, peaceful. Oh yeah, if you're ever in Emerald Isle, giant slice pizza, good shit. So, with that, for right now, I bid you adieu. Deuces, doodles.